We're looking at a move called Truckin. I like to compare this move to the Hornpipe dance, if any of you grew up by the coast and are familiar with nautical dances, because it's got a really down, up feel. It's the Hornpipe, quite a famous dance. I think that really helps get you into this move. So we've got a down, up feel, and it's within the phrase of 4, but we're doing 3 actual moves. The first one's heavy, the next 2 are light, so it's a down, up, a down, up, wait, down, up, wait, down, up, wait. This is a travelling move, but it's done in a zigzaggy motion. So each time you'll look into the corner, and with your finger, you're telling someone off with a little wiggly finger, and the other hand is behind the back, very proud, keeping the chest upright. So we're going, tell them off, tell them off, tell them off, and tell them off. The back leg is quite loose how you stylise it, but it's almost like a lazy attitude, which is a position from ballet. So like this, but not quite as tense and perfect as a ballet dancer would do it. You can have that flex foot and be quite loose. So one more time, we'll just have a little look at it.